Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, February the 9th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. We have a huge shout out. We have our first 3 millionaire, Mr. Pedro Salazar. Congratulations for reading 3 million words. You are an amazing scholar, and I can't wait to hear who our next millionaire is. Keep reading, scholars. Just like Pedro, the more you read, the better you'll get. Also, scholars, I saw 4th grade scholars working on their writing yesterday. They were working hard to remember all the parts when they're making a revision on their paper. So when we have a central idea with our 2 reasons, they remembered they have to make 2 topic sentences, and then they use CAFE to make sure that they back up and able to show the reasons they have those reasons. So nice job, 4th graders. I also saw 3rd graders, both in reading and in math, rocking it, working hard to ensure that they showed their work. In 3rd grade math, they were counting those tallies and making sure they knew exactly what he said, so they knew how many were being represented by each item. So nice job. Remember, scholars, every day is a great day to learn. This Friday, remember, our schedule is going to be changed a little bit because we're going to have growth assembly and we're going to have our team and family time. So make sure you check with your teachers to see what that schedule is going to look like, and have a great day. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!